Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to hide applications into your Xiaomi 12 Lite. First of all, open your settings. Then in the search of settings, write hidden apps, this one. Need tap on this option, and now from the list choose your application what you want to hide. Maybe Facebook. Okay, how to find hidden apps. So this here we got extraction message. So speed 2 fingers apart to the home screen to view hidden apps. Okay, got it. Okay, maybe Facebook, LinkedIn, maybe photos. Okay, and now for opening this application, need swipe 2 fingers like this, and here we got our hidden apps. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.